Rivot Motors Karnataka-based electric scooter manufacturing is working on next-generation electric scooters to reduce the range concern by providing the best range in the electric scooter in India. Rivot Motors says that the major reason why people are not adopting electric vehicle in India is range concern and no quick or super fast recharging technology. While we can increase the range to increase the battery capacity in the scooter, but increasing the battery capacity in an electric scooter can also increase the initial cost of the electric scooter. So let's know the solution to both these problems of the company. Our electric scooter can reach the 200+ km range, but will still be priced starting at the same price as the petrol variant, and still be able to be refueled, recharged at the refueling station in the same way as to how a petrol variant the vehicle is currently used. The company has claimed the performance of its new electric scooter NX100 to be better than the Ola S1 and Simple 1 electric scooter, and the Rivot NX100 will be launched with two variants. The first will come with a range of 180 kilometers and the top variant will come with a range of 250 kilometers. The company claims that their top variant, the Rivot NX100, gives a range of 280 kilometers on a single charge, since the electric scooter is equipped with 4 modular, which is ditching the Li-ion battery. Each electric modulator is capable of delivering a range of 70 kilometers.